Konnichiwa! Magandang gabi. Well, today I cooked Sinigang, spare ribs Sinigang. But I didn't show you step by step. But please watch for my next video for the steps of how to cook Sinigang. Okay, check out my Sinigang today. Okra, the spare rib looks yummy. Some chili, vegetables, spinach, onions. Wow, I have a lot of vegetables here, and I'm hungry. It's time to eat Sinigang. Wow. The vegetables, okra, okay, it's time to eat. Spare ribs. Man. The taste. Well balanced. Sinigang mix. Well balanced. See how it looks. Wow. See how it looks. Amazing. But okay. Man, it's really good, but I think, as you know, this is good with rice. You know what I mean, right? Okay, so please watch out for the next video. I will show you how to cook spare ribs Sinigang, and we'll cook step by step. Today, I have to eat. I'm hungry. Please subscribe, share, and comment this video. Goodbye, everyone. Paalam, kwaheri, Janet.